My name is Kamuga Leonard, and with my friend I know Mr. Elvis. I've come here to make an insecticide. We have liquid soap, chili, sodium hydrogen carbonate, 500 ml of water, stirring rod, measuring cylinder, cooking oil, and a digital weighing scale. We shall begin with measuring 500 ml of water, which we have already, and we shall measure 30 milligrams of liquid soap, which we shall measure them use a measuring cylinder. So here is our 30 ml of liquid soap. So we shall pour into the water, distilled water, as we mix. Cozy. After stirring, we are going to measure 10 ml of cooking oil. So this is our 10 ml of cooking oil. We are going to add them into the mixture. So we are going to measure 3 grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate using the digital weighing balance. So this is it. We are going to add it again in the mixture we are making. You stir very well when you are making the procedure, when you are making the insecticide. So after adding sodium hydrogen carbonate, we are going to add 4 grams of chili. So this is our insecticide. Our insecticide can kill houseflies, mosquitoes, tsetse flies, and other insects. So thank you for watching.